Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to PAMDAS and BODMAS method. It is very simple quiz and the quiz contains the basic operation minus, plus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using some method which is PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 6, B is 36, C is 18 and D is 17. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's move towards to understand what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here two rules which is BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules say if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number 2 is basically you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any power or any number has the power, so you have to solve this part after the bracket. Now, step number 3 is find out division and multiplication. How? First of all, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication, which operation is coming first. You have to solve that one. They both have similar precedence. So you don't worry, like you can solve multiplication first if it is coming first, and you can solve division first if it is coming first. Similarly, for addition or subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have here 27 minus 36 divided by 6 multiplied by 9. So first of all, we have to see the bracket. In our expression, we do not have any bracket. So we will skip this step. Now, step number 2 is basically you have to solve the exponent part. So now we do not have any exponent parts. So we will skip this step as well. Step number 3, we will solve right now division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out one by one which is coming first. So if you go left to right, so first of all we have the division, which is 36 divided by 6. So we will write minus 36 divided by 6 is 6 multiplied by 3 plus 9 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. Now move forward again left to right and we have here multiplication. So this one we will solve now. So 27 minus 6 multiplied by 3 which is equal to 18 and plus 9 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18. Now move forward. Again we will go left to right. But right now we do not have addition or subtraction. So what we will do, we will solve we do not have any multiplication and division. So now we will do subtraction and addition. So first we have the subtraction, which is 27 minus 18. So what we will get, the answer is 9. Plus 9 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 27 minus 18 equals to 9. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So the answer of the given expression is 80. So if you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.